day in the life of a policeman. Imagine you're a policeman. Your job is to keep the town safe and help people. Every day is different, but let's talk about what a typical day might look like. Morning routine. The day starts early for a policeman. After waking up, the first thing is to get ready. This means putting on a special uniform. The uniform is important because it shows everyone that you're a policeman. It also has lots of pockets for all the tools you might need, like a radio to talk to other policemen. Breakfast is next. Eating a good breakfast is important because a policeman needs lots of energy for the day. Then it's time to head to the police station. At the police station. When the policeman arrives at the station, the day begins with a team meeting. This is where all the policemen gather to talk about what they will do that day. They might talk about places in the town where they need to pay extra attention or any special events happening. After the meeting, the policeman checks his equipment. This includes things like a radio, handcuffs, and sometimes even a camera to wear on the uniform. Everything must be in good working order. Out on patrol. Then it's time to go out on patrol. Patrolling means driving or walking around the town to watch for any problems. While on patrol, the policeman might stop cars that are going too fast or help someone who is lost. Sometimes the policeman will talk to people in the community. This could be saying hello to shop owners or talking to children about staying safe. It's an important part of the job because it helps people feel safe and trust the police. Helping in emergencies. A big part of being a policeman is being ready to help in emergencies. This could be anything from a car accident to someone who needs help right away. When there's an emergency, the policeman has to get there quickly and make sure everyone is safe. Sometimes helping can mean giving first aid until doctors can arrive. Other times, it might mean working with other emergency services like firefighters to help people. Lunch break. Even policemen need to eat. Lunchtime is a chance to take a break and have something to eat. It's also a good time to talk with other policemen and share stories about the day. Back to patrolling. After lunch, it's back to patrolling. The afternoon might include visiting schools to talk to children about being safe or checking on places where people have reported problems. Every day is different, which is something many policemen like about their job. They never know what they will need to do next. Finishing the day. At the end of the day, the policeman returns to the station. There's paperwork to do, like writing reports about what happened during the day. This is important because it helps keep track of everything the police do. After finishing the paperwork, it's time to check the equipment again and make sure everything is ready for the next day. Then it's time to go home. Being a policeman can be hard work, but it's also very rewarding. Knowing that you've helped keep your town safe and helped people in need makes it all worth it. In conclusion, a day in the life of a policeman is busy and full of different tasks. From patrolling the town and talking to the community to responding to emergencies, there's always something to do. It's a job that requires being ready for anything, but it also brings the reward of making a difference in the community.